Hey guys, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. Today I am here with opening my other box of the Gucci makeup that I ordered around Christmas time as a Christmas gift. And I have no problem waiting to open my things when I actually have the time and energy to put into things. So I did open one of the boxes in a Tea Tuesday video recently, and now I'm gonna open the second box. They sent it separately because I actually placed it into different orders. I was, browsing the website trying to see what I wanted, and then I placed one order, and then I had to do something, and then I went and ordered again. So that's why I have two boxes. I just open this. I have the rest of the cardboard here. Just did it off camera to save a second. So this is how it came, and it does come with the little baggie, that they give you as a gift in all your purchases. I have a few of those already, and here I have the cards. This time they did put cards in it. Last time I did request they were supposed to say Merry Christmas or something, and they forgot to do it. And I don't blame them because I ordered around Christmas time, and I'm sure they were super crazy packaging things because it actually arrived before Christmas. So these are the cards. So I'm glad I will be using this in probably a journal, in a luxury journal. So this one says Gucci right there. This one also. And they have this, which is thank you for shopping with us at Gucci and all of that, and they send those in all your packages. Okay, and in here are my two other lipsticks that I ordered. I did tell you I had ordered more lipstick. So in here, that's it. This is the packaging they put, and this is the rest of the box, and it's green. They always look the same. I had a few of those boxes. Sometimes I save them for like Happy Mail and things like that. And I'll just show you this bag again. This is how it looks. It's like a natural color bag. Here it says Gucci, and it's big enough. It says Gucci here also on the inside, gucci.com. And they all come separately packed and wrapped with a tiny black bow. So let's open it and see what colors I ordered. I know one of them is like a supernatural light color, and the other one I don't remember anymore since I placed the order so long ago. I have my sister here, so I'm just gonna cut the plastic wrap here. There we go. And let's see. Hopefully this won't be too hard to open. This is Goldie Red. Oh, I ordered a red one. Yeah, because it was for Christmas. Okay. Let's see. It says Goldie Red number 25 in here. So. Oh, I remember this one. Look how beautiful. It's white and it has blue and turquoise flowers. They're roses actually. And it says Gucci right there. And here at the bottom, it says made in Italy. And again, the color is Goldie Red. Oh, I already have lipstick on my lips. Is the one that I showed you previously in my Tea Tuesday when I did the unboxing. It's like supernatural color, but I have it on my lips, and this is the red. Look, I don't know if you can tell, but it says Gucci right on the lipstick right here. It's like engraved in there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's a beautiful red. It's kind of like the red on my shirt. I wonder if I put it over this one that I have on, it's gonna show. It's probably not gonna show as a red, but let's try. probably gonna look redder when I have nothing in my lips, but I like it. Look at that. Perfect for like Valentine's Day too. You can see here the other color. I like it. Looks good. It goes with my shirt. I do like it a lot. So I'm excited to have a red lipstick. And the nail polish that I'm wearing today also is from Gucci. I will show it to you at the end, okay? So this is the one. Look how beautiful. All the packaging that I have in all the other different lipsticks, they're all different. They are like different color on the outside, super pretty. So now let's open this one and see the color on this one. This one doesn't have much of a color, and I won't be able to try it today because I already put the red, but it's a super light color, and I do like light colors when I have like today I did my eyes. I have, you know, I did my eyebrows and I put some makeup on my eyes. So when I do that, I tend not to put such a bright color on my lips, just to focus on one area of my face instead of the whole face. But you know, I had to try on that red. So this one is Linda Beige. That's the color of this one, and it's number 100. Linda Beige. It's also made in Italy, and the quality of these lipsticks is really good. Actually, I own a few and I've never been disappointed. I like that they don't smell and they don't taste, because that bothers me when lipsticks have that. And this is the color. See, this is super natural color. You can see right there, it says Gucci. You can see it in this one because the color is lighter. And it's a super natural color. It's almost as my skin color. So, but I do like it. And this one is the gold packaging. See, it says Gucci right there. Right there. Made in Italy. It's like engraved. It's metal, but it's engraved on the outside. See how beautiful it is? Beautiful. So I like it. Those are the two colors that I ordered this time, the natural one and the other one with the red color. See how beautiful the wrapping is? Let me show you the other ones I have. I have my my Gucci makeup case here that I ordered also from their website, and I have the unboxing video for this one also someplace in my channel, maybe in the playlist. So you can see right here I have my nail polish here. This is the one that I am wearing right now. Really pretty, and the color was Dorothy Turquoise, and it's number 713, and I love it. I think it's so pretty. That's that one. And let me show you my other lipsticks, and you can see the whole collection that I have. So this is the one that I had when I started the video. It's also like a supernatural color. It's like the color of my lips, like a pink. I'll open it and show it to you. So those are all the ones I have so far. Look, I have two of the engraved gold, this one which is like a Tiffany blue color, and this one. So let me open this one to show it to you. A lot of their things are like Tiffany blue, and that's why I like it so much. This is my bronzer. It's a Gucci bronzer. I've used it a lot, so it's actually, as you can see, it's been used quite a lot. And it has a mirror, which is the one that I'm covering here to not to blind you. And it also comes with a little brush here underneath there, but I don't use that one because I have my big brush that I like using, and it comes in this dust bag over here. And also in here, oh, that's my sharpener that came with my pen. This is my eyebrow pencil that I use. It's also from Gucci. It said Gucci here, but it came off. This is number 2. It's the blonde color, and that's the color. That's what I use on my eyebrows. That's what I have on right now. This is the Gucci Bloom, the one for the, you know, the makeup case, because I have it in big one also. So that's the one that I carry in here, the Gucci Bloom, and it's a roll-on like that. Comes in handy, especially when you travel and you don't want to bring your whole bottle of perfume. And this is my mascara. It also says Gucci right there. And it's in color black. That's how the brush is. And let me now quickly show you the color of the other lipsticks. Oh, this is the one that I just got, the Supernatural one. That is called Linda Beige. So it's gonna go in here. This is the other one. This is the red, goldy red. That one with this cover, super cute with the blue roses. This one, it's a pink one. Oh, I love this one. I use this one a lot. So you can see it's being used quite a lot. This is the pink one, and it also comes in this gold packaging. And this one, the name is Kimberly Rose. Kimberly Rose. This one is a lip balm, and it's a bit red, but not super bright red. So it just gives you like a tint on your lips. And this one is Renee Pink. Pink is the color, but it's more red than pink, you know, but it's called Renee Pink. But it's a lip balm. That one, it matches my nails, see? And this one is the one that I opened last time. It's also part of this haul, and it's this color here. And it's super creamy. And this one does have hyaluronic acid in it, which is super good for you. So, and this one is Call It a Day. That's the name for this one. Call It a Day. So I'm super happy with my growing collection of Gucci makeup. There are a couple more lipsticks that I want to get. Maybe in like the pink color, maybe another red. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna put this back in here. And that's going to be it for now, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my haul, my unboxing of those 2 lipsticks and my other makeup that I already had from before. So you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Let me know which color you like the best. And let me know if you have purchased any of this makeup before and if you enjoy using them. I think that they can be a bit pricey maybe compared to some other makeups that we can buy at like the pharmacy and stuff like that. But I think that once in a while it's good to, you know, give yourself a prize and invest in something that is gonna make you happy. And that's all I did. You know, I wanted to get some more of what I enjoy, and I'm happy with my purchase because they really are super creamy and soft, and I like them. I enjoy them a lot. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you stay safe and healthy and warm, because I'm in upstate New York and it's super cold here. I have snow outside. You guys have a wonderful day. I love you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.